back to DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here, and if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So in today's video, guys, I will be doing a very big Boohooman haul. Now, a lot of these pieces are sets, all right? Y'all already know when it comes to Boohooman and a lot of other brands like Fashion Nova and ASOS, they are big on having so many different types of sets. Sets are convenient for trips, and that is exactly what I'm in preparation for, a very special trip to celebrate my wife's birthday. I'm not going to disclose the location just yet, just know it's somewhere warm, okay? Somewhere warm. There will be a vlog coming out about that soon, maybe. I'm still trying to decipher if I want to film that week or if I just kind of want to keep it very intimate and just keep it to ourselves, all right? Still in the works to see if I want to. I don't know yet. I may do a reel though. If anything, I will do a reel of that trip. But with that being said, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this is outfit number 1, guys. This is a bonded scuba matching set, top and bottom, and I did purchase this in a gray colorway. And the reason for purchasing it in the gray colorway is because it goes pretty well with the gray Mason Maharas. And of course, I topped it off with a black crossbody bag, in which I did not purchase this from Boohooman. I got this from Zara, but it goes really well with the outfit. As far as this outfit goes, guys, I could wear this so many different ways. This could be either a daytime outfit or it could be a nighttime outfit. This could be a daytime, just out frolicking the country or out just being about. Or this could be a date night. This could be a dinner night, all right? So many different ways that I can put this and style this. But one last thing to top this outfit off. And that's the perfect way to finish off an outfit, all right? Some really, really nice sunglasses, all right? So where we are going, it is gonna be a little bit warmer than where we currently are right now, which is Texas. Hopefully we don't get any rain, but for the most part, we are going to experience a lot of sun. And 9 times out of 10, I'm probably not gonna be wearing a hat. I am gonna do my hair. I'm just not sure if I wanna do maybe some 2-strand twists or if I just wanna braid my hair straight back. Either way, we don't even need a hat, guys. But like I said, this is outfit number 1. We will get off into outfit number 2. God damn, them bitches is fucking tight as hell. Shiza. Busting out the bando. Shee. So as y'all can see, the shorts is tight as hell. I don't know where the hell I think I'm going with these tight ass shorts, but best believe we going, baby, okay? But yeah, so this is outfit number 2. Now, as far as this outfit goes, casual, all right? Casual. This could be, once again, like the first outfit, a daytime fit or a nighttime fit. And honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a nighttime fit because I feel like this is something that's good for lounging, going out to dinner, being seen, not too much, not too less, something just right. It's giving exquisite, honestly. It's giving posh without even the high-end brand, okay? Because this is Boohooman. But needless to say, this is a very nice outfit. I had to cop this. I honestly seen this in a different type of style where it was just a long sleeve shirt, not a collared shirt, and a pair of shorts, which I thought about buying that one, but I felt like this one fit way more just because I like how this collared shirt looks and how it would fit me. I already knew how a medium would fit. Now, as far as the shorts goes, now as far as these goddamn short goes, I already knew it was gonna be a problem. They either were gonna be too tight or they're just gonna be extremely small, in which honestly those both are in the same ballpark if you ask me. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick little close-up of this though. So thank goodness you cannot really tell how tight the shorts are because the shirt is so long, which is something that I really appreciated the most because damn it, if you could tell how tight these shorts really were outside of this shirt, oh, we was gonna have to ship that back. We was gonna have to ship that right on back. We are gonna put on that same crossbody bag and we are topping it with these same black shades. Cause what did I say about the first outfit, y'all? We're gonna be in the sun. All right, so this is outfit number 2, y'all. Like I already said, casual outfit can do so much. It looks good, it fits, so why not just do it, right? Crossbody bag, probably have my essentials in here because it's out of the country. So my wallet for sure, chapstick, hand sanitizer, and maybe some lotion. Not a lot of stuff in the bag, all right? We don't need to be carrying around a bunch of junk. Just your essentials, that's it. Can't even put my hands in the pocket, damn. And we're gonna get off into outfit number 3. The shorts actually fit, which is very astonishing. I am surprised. These shorts fit really well, y'all. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm mainly going for a certain type of colorway, which is mainly soft colors. I feel like when you're going on vacation, you should pick soft colors. I already wear a lot of black, so it's only right that I switch it up for this special occasion, all right? Special vacation. I'm skeptical about this outfit as well as the last one I just had on, because I just knew with me trying on that one, the shorts on this one had to be just as tight. But they fit pretty good and they look extra good on me too. I might have the model maybe right here that made me want to buy this outfit when I first seen this on Boohooman, because I was just like, I could do the same thing. I would look just as fucking good. What? Okay. Definitely a daytime outfit. Definitely something of going out for like some brunch, going out for breakfast, or just going out for an early daytime dinner, okay? But definitely something where I need to be seen during the day, goddammit, okay? Okay? I don't know if I want to button up this last button though. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I, or just leave it open a little bit? Either way, it look good as fuck on me. I like this outfit, guys. Very, very well put together. I just extremely love this colorway. Very pure, very demure, right? But this outfit I'm definitely going to be putting on during the daytime. It's such a very clean outfit. This is something I gotta be seen during the daytime. But we gotta top it off first. We gotta top it off. I don't know if I want to wear this bag, but it's an option. I went on and threw on a pair of shades because like I said, sun in the fun in the sun, gotta have on some shades. And then I have on this crossbody bag that is still raveled together, the straps are. So I don't know, I kind of like this look right here, having it as something that I hold in my hand. So these are the finishing touches to this outfit, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Like I said, this is probably my all-time favorite of what I've worn so far. But yeah. This is outfit number 3, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get into outfit number 4. So this is outfit number 4. All right, I do have on this half sleeve V polo set. All right, I want to call this maybe seafoam green, or maybe like a, I don't know, mint. I'm gonna call it mint. This is like a mint color, all right? And then I have on this crossbody bag that I did purchase from Boohooman. So this outfit, definitely a daytime outfit. It seems like an outfit that would probably be worn sightseeing, going out into the country, viewing different things, excursions. This is that type of outfit, all right? Not a nighttime outfit, outfit to kind of chill, vibe, and just be out and about, all right? So let me give y'all a close-up. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know. And of course I went on ahead and threw on the trusty dusty Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones and the Mason Maharas are going to be in heavy rotation. I think I only packed like one pair of loafers, which is only going with one outfit, and that's probably going to be the next outfit after this one. I have about maybe 6 or 7 outfits laid out here for this trip, but I'm only probably going to pick up those 7, maybe 4 or 5. When you think about a week-long trip, probably only going to need maybe 4 really good outfits, and then 2 ones to kind of travel. Outside of that, I'm not trying to take too much, y'all. I am not trying to take too much, you feel me? But let's go ahead and top this outfit off. Because what will we be without shades? What will we be without shades? Nowhere. And so this is the full ensemble for just traveling and being out and about in a country on vacation or what have you, whatever you have planned. Just wanted to present to you guys some outfits, some ideas on where you can shop from in case you are planning for a trip, especially a trip where it is a lot warmer, okay? So this is outfit number 4, guys. Let's get into outfit number 5. So this is outfit number 5, guys. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little backstory on this fit, to be honest with you. So I ordered this shirt off of Boohooman. Pants is from H&M, and the shoes is Doc Martens. But let's get into this shirt now. When I ordered this outfit, I just knew for sure that it was a set. I just knew for sure that it was coming with some shorts. I opened it, just the shirt. So of course, y'all know what we had to do. We had to improvise. So this is probably gonna be one of the 2 outfits that I'm gonna be wearing. That I will be wearing a pair of pants, which I don't know if the pants may be too much. Hopefully it's not. But I wanted to go ahead and throw these pants on with it because I felt like it was such a good fit. Now, let's get more into where we could wear this outfit at now. So for this outfit, more so of a fine and dine and fine and run and one out on a date. Probably something that I would more so than likely wear at night. I don't think I'll wear this during the day. This material is a little bit thick. Like I told y'all earlier in the video, I'm not trying to be sweating bullets. So this is definitely gonna be something that I probably wear at nighttime, or maybe a little bit later in the evening before the sun actually goes down, okay? So this is outfit number 5. Let's get into some accessories. What I told y'all about them shades. A pair of shades will literally make or break you, all right? So got on a pair of shades. I went on ahead and threw on this green and cream crossbody bag, which I did get this from Zara. So this is the full fit, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little close-y up. This is outfit number 5, guys, and unfortunately this is the last outfit for the Boohooman haul. Now I do have 3 other outfits that are going to probably be a part of the rotation when it comes to me packing. Not sure if I still want to take them or not, still trying to decipher it. It's always good to have at least 1 or 2 extra outfits just in case for any type of occasion, and that's what those outfits are. But with that being said, let's get back to the rest of the video. So those were all of the outfit, guys. As y'all can see, everything is just laid out. Also have some of those outfits that are not Boohooman laid out back there too. Still trying to figure that out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you were able to take something from it. Go ahead and like this video and share this video. That way people like you who came to watch this video can get the same value and the same information as you did, all right? And also it will help to push this video out more, all right? So like I said before, guys, this is for a very special trip. It is my wife's birthday. We're going out with a bang. Ooh, it's gonna be a very amazing moment. I mean, this vacation, we both need it, goddammit. We need this vacation just to get away. Of course, to celebrate her, but also just to get away, all right? I don't think we really took or have taken any vacations for real this year. We just really been balls to the wall and just busy. And along with other things in life, that's just been life. And so, very much so need a trip, guys. But with that being said, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.